Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize your client follow-ups with FollowUp.cc. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To optimize your client follow-ups with FollowUp.cc, first, visit the FollowUp.cc website. Create an account by entering your email address and setting a password. Once you're signed in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard. Navigate to the settings to integrate your email account. Select the email service provider you use, such as Gmail or Outlook. Follow the prompts to authorize FollowUp.cc to access your email. Once integration is complete, return to the dashboard. To set a follow-up reminder, compose a new email. In the recipient field, enter your client's email address. In the subject line, add a brief description of the purpose of your follow-up. In the body, write your message as you normally would. To set a reminder, add at follow-up followed by the desired time frame, like at follow-up 1 day. You can also customize reminders using specific dates or times, such as at follow-up tomorrow at 10 a.m. After finishing your email, click Send. FollowUp.cc will now track this email and remind you based on the time frame you set. To view your upcoming follow-ups, go back to the FollowUp.cc dashboard. You'll see a list of your scheduled reminders. If you need to reschedule, simply click on the desired follow-up. You can then adjust the date and time based on your needs. For additional features, explore the options in the FollowUp.cc settings. Customize notification preferences to ensure you never miss a follow-up. Utilize the Analytics section to track your follow-up success rates. Regularly reviewing your follow-up strategy will help improve client engagement. By consistently using FollowUp.cc, you can streamline your follow-up process and enhance client relationships. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.